In this video, I am going to introduce a step-by-step procedure of how you can delete your Worldcoin account. So, Worldcoin was launched. Immediately it was being launched, you went up and verified your identity to it using the orb. The orb had your iris scanned so as to verify that you are a real human. But days and days passed by, and you started finding out that Worldcoin uses deceptive measures in the collection of personal data. Moreover, you found out that Worldcoin uses the orbs to collect the personal data. And guess what you did? You came on YouTube and searched how to delete your Worldcoin account, hoping that you may find a better way of how you can erase your personal data and the iris codes that was taken during the verification from Worldcoin organization. But to some, Worldcoin was launched, and you were on a hurry to verify your identity to it, and immediately you verified your identity. You placed wrong informations that does not relate with you, and you decided to take the same step of searching how to delete your account on YouTube so as you can place different information on your profile data. Don't worry, we got you. Or, you heard of Worldcoin giving out free money to every people that signed up. You decided to take the risks and arrive at the recruitment orb stations. And guess what? You were verified, an identity of yours being taken using the iris code. Then suddenly, you find out news everywhere talking about Worldcoin collecting personal data from people, and you were shocked. Yes, you were shocked. Moreover, to make the matters worse, you went ahead and find out that due to the collection of personal data and more information from people, your country decides to ban Worldcoin and its activities forever. This news makes you paralyzed, and you decide you want to take the step further and try to delete your Worldcoin account. You came to YouTube and typed in how to delete your Worldcoin account. So before I give you the step procedure of how you can delete your Worldcoin account, let me just tell you that you can only delete your personal informations, but not your iris code. What does that mean? This means that you can delete your profile data, which contains optional orb images, phone number, contacts, push notifications, and IDs, but you cannot delete your account data. Here is where things get more worse, since the account data contains account public key, transaction history, account holdings, and more ever the most important thing that you wished you could delete. The iris code. Forget about what I really said, and let's focus on how you can delete your Worldcoin account. It's a very clear and simple steps done through the World app, so make sure that you have downloaded the World app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and log into your Worldcoin account. After you have logged into your account, go to Settings, which is at the upper right corner of your screen. If you haven't found it, try and find it, since that's the tab that we will be using. After that, tap on Security and Privacy. After going to Security and Privacy, scroll to the lower side of your screen. Scroll to the lower side of your screen if only you have gone to Security and Privacy. After that, you will see Privacy and Data Request. We do not want to use the Privacy, but the Data Request. At Data Request, you will find this three options: General Requests, Request Copy of Data, and Request Data Deletion. General Request includes request of your transaction and anything you need to know about Worldcoin, but not the personal data information. You will click this if you need some general information from Worldcoin. And for those who wants to know what type of their personal data is Worldcoin holding, you may tap the Request Copy of Data, whereby all of your personal data upholdings will be copied and be transferred to you. But for this video, we are majoring on data deletion, so select the last option of Request Data Deletion. In that option, Worldcoin will tell you that you are always in full control over your personal data, which I think it's not what they mean. And seeing the two methods down there, it tells you that you can delete your profile data anytime, which includes optional orb images, phone number, contacts, and the push notification IDs. But as for your account data, which I know it's the main reason that you came to YouTube to find on how you can delete your Worldcoin account, bad news is that it cannot be deleted in any way. The account's data include account public key, transaction history, account holdings, and the iris code. Down to it, you will see the tab, Delete My Data, which will be your profile data. This may work best for those trying to change their phone number, contacts, and push notification. But if you actually wanted to delete all of your data, then I'm sorry for you. By that being said, you would have deleted your profile data successfully, and moreover, we can say that you can only delete your personal or profile data, but not your account data and the iris code. This means that if Worldcoin collects personal information from its users, then your personal information will remain with them till when they decide what is the best time to dispute this information. Perhaps your data is being stored to some blockchain project. You never know. What's your decision about Worldcoin, saying that in Worldcoin, you are always in full control over your personal data, and yet you cannot delete your account data? We want to hear from you. Thanks for your time and dedication to this channel. Stay buttery. Until next time, goodbye.